Our little girl. What?
What is
It's my lucky day. On a campsite, which is beautiful, and we have a visitor over here. He is, I think, searching for some food. He is definitely not shy or something. We finished the Great Ocean Road. Tell me your thoughts about it.
It was really nice, beautiful views, as you could see, some nice drone shots at the 12 Apostles, and when you're in Australia you should come to the Great Ocean Road. It's only a little bit more than 300 kilometers, which you can do in one day, but especially when you have the time, just take 2 or 3 days for it. We have another visitor.
Another kangaroo?
Jeez. I prefer the kangaroo. Is out?
Yeah, friend. I had already huntsman. After some kangaroos and a big spider, we have this little friend over here. Super beautiful, and he's enjoying an apple, which is not ours, by the way, but from other people. But he is quite calm, I would say. It's my lucky day. In the morning, yesterday we saw kangaroos and a spider, and in the morning I saw a beautiful bird, and now I see a koala while I was making my walk. Tim and I are having a just actually a really normal casual day, nothing special, but it feels so relaxed. But today we just stayed on the same campsite we were yesterday. I went to the library. Tim bought ourselves some firewood, so we'll make a bonfire later. First enjoying a curry. Perfect dinner after a perfect day.
Time for bonfire. Ooh, lekker, lekker, lekker. On point.
Ooh!
Premium time.
That looks really good. Friday, we are road tripping. Our Sena made some sound, was not good. And the exhaust was not good anymore. We drove to Hamilton, place to be. Now we found a mechanic which can help us for the weekend. Super nice. And we went to the Coles. Best quick sale ever. And that's something we'll show you in our dinner. Now it's just a little bit praying for the Lord if the bill won't be too crazy. Hopefully not. Our little girl.
Well, we're back on the road. The sound is gone. Our car's fixed, and that only happens in Australia. The guy fixed our car. He had to do some welding and get the tire off.
I think 30 minutes or something. 30 something.
Yeah, I guess. And we asked him how much do you get, and he said just nothing. It's all right. This only happens in Australia. Place to be. Thank you.
Out some cheap groceries. Over here we have quick sale salmon, $1.55. Usually this would have been $15, so that's insane. Yeah, there you see it, tofu, 2 times, which are now 25 cents, so super cheap. The best was, I think, for me the salmon, for Tim, a quattro formaggi pizza for 90 cents instead of $9. So, I don't know, Hamilton, but I kinda like you.
We've been to Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, all nice cities, but Hamilton is something really special. First we get our car fixed for free, thank you again. And then we have
hot showers.
Hot showers!
Yes. Oh!
Yeah, really friendly people over here. Doing groceries, we had a lot of nice chats with people, and then we had a really nice conversation with a guy over here. And he said, hang on, I'll get something for you. And he brought us fresh eggs, fruits and jam. Hamilton, you're great. Well, Rian, what happened here?
Suddenly a fish flew on my plate. No, little guy over there, he did some fishing with his dad, and he walked in our direction and he asked us, yo, do you want to have this fish to prepare for tonight? So I'm like, yeah, why not? So I'm gonna Google how to prepare a red fin fish, and then we have some fresh fish fresh fish on the barbecue.
Usually, I don't make exceptions for eating meat or fish. I never do it for meat, but sometimes for fish. And especially when just a young kiddo comes by and says he just caught a fish and wants to give it to us as a present, then I make an exception. And yeah, so let's see how that works.
Well done for the first time, Simon. Super tasty.
Whoop! Wndrflw.
And Tim, can we conclude that it is sort of a super lucky karma day?
It's a super lucky karma day. We have our car fixed, we have amazing food. Met a lot of friendly people here in Hamilton.
Look how good this looks, this fish. Really curious. Our lucky day in Hamilton. We started our trip into the Grampians National Park, and it's already really beautiful. And we have seen, I think, already more than 100 kangaroos. They're just in the grass and just eating. Too late at the camp, but believe in us. Tomorrow we will start hiking in the Grampians, and probably we'll do that for 2 days. Really nice spot to stay the night. And of course our buddies are also there, some kangaroos.
After a cold but nice night, first night in the Grampians, we are now having breakfast and coffee at Lake Belfield. And we're looking forward to do some hikes, see some more lookouts and to explore this national park, right? We made it, 18,000 steps. The second hike is finished and now we're gonna search for a nice camp spot for the night.
Perfect day with nice hikes and a lot of steps. We finish with some perfect food. Another nice part of the road trip has come to an end. We finished the Grampians Great Ocean Road. We are now close to Ballarat and we will enjoy our dinner. Next video, amazing festival. That's it.
Rainbow Serpent, here we come. Cheers!
Cheers!